Hey, I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this Sweetcrispy ergonomic office chair that I've been trying for some time, and I gotta say, I really like it. I think it's a fantastic chair. But before moving forward, I really think that this is a productivity chair. I think it's meant to be for a productivity chair, and just for one single thing. It's not something that I don't like, but it's something that I have my personal preferences. I want to share with you. You can't move the armrest. So these are fixed armrests, as you can see. They're screwed to the sides on this like fixed position, which again, it's not something bad, but based on my personal preferences, I like to move my armrest. So mainly because I'm a gamer, I'm a PC gamer, so I like to be able to set up my elbows in different heights and postures and in an angle and things like that. But other than that, this is a fantastic chair, so let's actually dive into some of the features. So first of all, it's an ergonomic chair, means that it gives a really nice posture and has a really nice lumbar support as well. And the headrest is another one of the good features. It's a measure, as I was saying before, which supports 250 pounds. And as you can see, this has like a kind of like a futuristic look, which I really like. I think it's a really nice design as well. And here's the lumbar support. You can actually remove the pillow, or you can, as you can see, it's a memory foam pillow, which is kind of like super cushiony, but firm as well. So you can change the height if you want, or just like set it on the actual lumbar support feature. So let me actually show you the posture it gives. So this is the actual posture, which I believe is a really nice 90 degrees posture that you should have for when working from home or working for long periods of time. But the other thing that I really like about this chair, this is the other handle right here. So as you can see, you can just modify the height just like that, super easy, like any other chair. It has a 360 swivel option like any other chair. But something that I really like about this chair, and this is the other handle that I was trying to look for before, just like that. So it has a recliner. So it's actually a really nice recliner. This is super comfortable because it gives some kind of resistance. It's not just like a recliner, so it comes back to you. So if you want to actually kind of like have a different sitting position at all times, you can do it because the actual recliner comes back to you, like pushing you a little bit. So it's really nice and it's super comfortable. So I'm gonna actually lock it right now. Now it's locked, so I can't do it anymore. And as you can see, you can adjust the tiltness of the headrest, which I believe is a really good feature as well. And yeah, it's a pretty wide seating area, and it's firm. It's cushiony, but it's also firm. But what I believe it's a really cool thing is this. It has a footrest. So if you pair the footrest with the actual recliner, golden. This is beautiful. It's super comfortable. Let me actually show you on the other side. So you have a full picture of this. Yeah, this is perfect. Super comfortable. Then you can adjust the headrest and you're all set to watch your favorite TV show or something like that in the computer. But again, as I was saying before, I think this is a really nice chair and just like that, easy peasy for productivity. Super comfortable, and it gives you this really nice posture that I was talking to you before. But because you can't adjust this and you can't move it, or you can't just recline them to the back, if you have a desk that is in a certain height, you will not be able to put that in storage. That's the only thing. Other than that, beautiful design, really easy assemble. It's probably took me like no more than 20 minutes, and it was just like myself. The footrest, which is super comfortable, as you can see, and the whole design, like the mesh and the firm cushion. I think this is a really nice chair. I like it. I do recommend it. My thumbs up to this Sweetcrispy chair, and I hope I helped you with a short review. See you soon in my next video. Thank you.